Hi everybody, it's Okonkwo. So as you can probably tell from the title of the video, I decided to redo Flycircle because I have a new computer and everything got reset because I have a new computer and I have to do everything over all over again. But that doesn't include Flycircle. I can still do Flycircle on this computer, but that's not really the new computer isn't really why I decided to not do Flycircle. I just thought the Flycircle my draft for the Flycircle was kind of bad. Like the level design was kind of weird. It was inconsistent and the music didn't really fit. I didn't really like the music that much. If you liked it, then that's okay, but just know that's my opinion, and I just decided to not do it anymore. But now I have the new Flycircle, and I have the new computer, but that so that also explains why I don't have Sony Vegas anymore, which is my editing software for my videos. So it's gonna be a little bit harder to edit the videos, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna show you what I have so far with the new Flycircle. I started it a few days ago, probably Monday, I think. All right, let's go. Okay, I have to go here to birth space and then me active. All right, good. All right, so that was a miss, but that shouldn't really work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here and then do a public um, float um, countdown delay. Then I can comment. Um, Actually, nah, I don't think it needs a comment. Probably do it later. Then I'm probably gonna move it down here. Time between. It doesn't really make sense, but I guess it's fine. I couldn't really describe it, but I don't know. So that's the countdown delay, and then I'm gonna set it equal to zero point 0.1 or zero point 0.1f. Then I'm gonna go here and then just replace it. So in case I want to change it sometime later. The reason it's all caps is because I don't want it to change if I ever do more code. So um, uh, I just do a void score and then string message. Or actually, what I can do is instead of doing, I can just replace the debug.log, which is what Unity does when you want to do a message, and it doesn't really affect the game. It's just something that tells the coder that something happened. Right? So I go here to score, and then I do then I could do the debug.log here. Then it was semicolon. All right. So yeah, I'm just gonna do if maybe I should do a space if input dot get key. Wait, let me see if it's get key with a capital or get key with a lowercase because I know it's case sensitive. Alright, so input, yeah, it's capital. Alright, get key, and then have to do that. There we go. And then if get key, then it could be W or S. Then the two bars means this or. Then I do S. Then I cut this out. Then I delete it. Alright, good. So then I just do that and I just click out of there. Go back to Unity. Wait for everything to load. And then let me look for. Okay, so now let me test this out. I have to do me active. Okay, so I got an okay score right there. And now it's hard to see, but I'll open this up so that's easier. It says okay, so it's pretty good. But I think I should change the speed a little bit. Maybe change it to like 6 because like for like now it's like before it's like really like slow. Alright, now I'll just perfect. Alright. But it looks like I got 2 scores, so um so I should probably do yield return null for all of these. They'll basically like end the they'll end the IE numerator, which is like a function that you can use if oh hold on maybe I shouldn't do that because if um, alright so alright so it looks like so what should I do? I think I should like because this isn't an IE numerator. Oh, I could do stop coroutine, right? Stop coroutine time counter. Also, I should probably capitalize that because it sounds like okay, yeah, that doesn't matter. Um, time counter. Um, then it looks like yeah, that's the only one. All right. So I just leave that. Then hopefully, then like what this will do, what the stop coroutine will do, is it will like stop going through each of these, so that like there aren't any double messages. All right. And later on, I'm gonna like add a little thing at the top that tells you like how good you did with your move. All right. All right. So I got it perfect. But to make it easier, I'm gonna, as I mentioned before, I'm gonna do a text. And I'm gonna center it like right there. Up. Uh, okay. I think I'm just gonna go here and then Alt. Yeah, Alt. Um, then center it. Then put it up there. And then increase the size a little bit. Um, this probably isn't gonna be in the final game. This, then I'm gonna create a text display. I'm gonna create a new script. It's called text display. Wait for everything to load. This is like gonna be the new script. Alright. So first of all, and like this could be used for like any piece of text that I want to do. So what I'm probably gonna need to do is go to using unityengine.ui because that's what allows you to do the text. So I'm gonna go here to I'm gonna do a public text and then just call it text because like that's the most intuitive word, right? Uh, then I'm gonna comment it and then text object. Text from text object. Then I'm just gonna do save. And then just like drag in the text. So so I'm gonna probably I'm gonna minimize these functions. Well, they're not really functions, but yeah, they're just functions. Voids are just like functions that don't return anything. Uh, alright, so I'm gonna create another void because I don't want to return anything because like then I'm gonna do a void. I'm gonna do a void um, display text text equals wait, public script no public string message for text message. All right, so displays message on text. Alright, so now I'm going to save that. Then I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to create a new void. No, I'm going to create a new IE numerator. Um, timed text. And then I'm also going to public float. And then the float should be called time. Yeah, I'll just call it time. Time for message to appear. So it's going to be display text and then message. Um, Actually, I'm just going to call this one message for text to make sure it's different. So I'm just going to paste that into there. Message. And then I'm going to do yield, return new, wait for seconds. Actually, I'm going to time for text. Yeah, oh, and then I have to do the message for text to make that string. and then I have to make this float. And the float is just like a number. It could be like a decimal number. It could be like a rational number. It could be anything, any number. So wait for seconds and then time for text. Put them there, and then display text. Um, uh, I just created a bunch of indentions. Then display text, and then just like leave it empty, a bunch of quote, just like empty quotes. All right, good. All right, so what does this do? So basically, it's just like a time, it just like shows the text for like a certain amount of seconds. I should go seconds. All right, there we go. Then I should probably turn this enumerator into a public enumerator and turn this into a public void because it might be used outside the script. So I want to make sure like that everything works. All right. So after that, I'm gonna do a. You go here, public text display. And then I'm just gonna call it text display. Then you come this text display script. Okay, good. So now I just go here, text display dot start coroutine. Then I just find, oh, I have to put in quotes, time text. And then for the time, I'm just gonna do one, 1 second. Okay. Oh, I have to go. I have to like create a string message for text, and then I'm just gonna do copy this, put it in there. All right, good. Now I'm just gonna save all, then go in here, wait for everything to load up. Oh, and it looks like I have an error. All right, so it looks like let me just reset this. No overload for a method start coroutine takes three arguments. All right, so I think that means like I can't do like three. I have to do like so it looks like I'm just gonna have to delete that. Then what I'm gonna have to do is just go here to message, e text display dot message equals this. Oh, all right, and then I get here text display dot time. Then I set that to 1. All right, so let's test this out. Put the text in bold. All right, then just like do empty. Then I just go to bird space. Okay, so it looks like I don't have the text display, so just drag that. Alright, so I got it perfect, but it doesn't look like it doesn't look like it did the text, so I'm gonna do that. Alright, so there's like a problem, I think. So text display start quote text. Well, it's a public enumerator, so I guess. Okay, so now that just created more problems. Wait, hold on, what's going on? Okay, so I guess there aren't any errors. Okay, so I got the text. Good. Now what happens if I don't get perfect? Alright, good. It just tells me what I got. Alright. I'm just gonna play this for a few more times and then I just. Okay, so apparently I got good. Okay, so that time I got perfect, so I'm just gonna. Okay, so either I'm really good at this game, or there's a glitch. I'm trying to get a miss, because I want to make sure that works too. Uh, okay, good, it works. Then instead of calling this text display, I'm gonna go here, score text. Then I'm gonna change everything that says text display. There we go. Okay, so good, everything works. So yeah, that's the video. Bye, everybody.